सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 14, verse number 24. समदुःखसुखस्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्मसंस्तुतिः। Lord Krishna answering that Arjuna's questions. Arjuna asked 3 questions. Shloka number 22. Those 3 questions are: what are the characteristics of a gunatitaha? Tairlingaihi. In 21st shloka, Arjuna asked. From 22nd onwards, Lord Krishna answering. Kairlingaihi trin gunan etan atitaha bhavati. How a gunatitaha appear, with what indications or characteristics? What are the indications of gunatita? First question. Then the second question is kimacharaha gunatitaha bhavati. What is the conduct of such a person, gunatitaha? This is the second question. 21st shloka, second half, second line, first half. Then third question is katham etan trin gunan ativartate. How he become a gunatitaha. We can reshuffle this question. How one can become a jnani? Gunatitaha means none other than jnani, atma jnani. So you can convert this question, how he become a gunatitaha. Instead of that, you can take how one can become a jnani. That also you can take. For these 3 questions, Lord Krishna answering shloka number 22 and 23, he gives first question ke answer. So prakashancha pravrittincha mohamevacha pandava na dveshti sampravrittani na nivrittani kankshati. Then udasinavad asinaha gunairyona vichalyate. These are the 2 shlokas for the first question answers. Hey Arjuna, this gunatitaha never develop any aversion or attachment. When those 3 gunas produce their products, consequences, when they produce any consequence, this gunatitaha will never get any attachment towards them, or dvesha also he will never get. Normally, ignorant people means before getting Atma Jnanam. Once you have studied the Bhagavad Gita, Sattva Guna, these are the effects of Sattva Guna, Prakasham, Jnanam, Sukham, and you have understood that Sattva Guna and its effects. And Rajoguna and its effects, restlessness, activity, hyperactive, person, and anxiety also there. This also we have understood. And tamoguna also sleepiness, negligence, delusion, all these are the effects of the tamoguna. Having understood this much, and we have understood another point also, all the three gunas are caused to bind the person. Sukha sangena badhnati. So karma sangena badhnati. Moha sangena badhnati. Alasyam. So a person, it is like a golden chain, silver chain, iron chain. Three of them are like three chains. So this much knowledge having got that, once sattva guna comes, this person, sattva guna effects always come in the mind. I may get this golden bondage problem. I may develop attachment towards this sukham. Suppose rajoguna comes, I may get restlessness, anxiety. This may cause a silver bondage for me. And the worry start agum. Idu padikkiradhukku munnadi onnum kedaiyadhu. No problem. After studying this chapter or hearing from some teacher, so this person get lot of aversion towards them. Ajnani. And tamoguna karyam also, if I feel sleepy, see, tamoguna is jasti I am getting delusion, negligence, I am becoming so irresponsible nowadays. This will cause iron bondage. Like this, these are the consequences he always worried. That type of worry won't be there in a gunatitaha. Udasinavad asina. He remain neutral. Udasina means he remains as though indifferent. How na vichalyate is not disturbed. Gunaihi na ingate. That means he will not lose his real nature. That awareness he will not forget. Like Tambura Shruti for a musician, he never forget the Tambura Shruti when he is singing. Even when he is not singing also, Tambura Shruti is there always. That's why without Tambura also, they bring out the Shruti. You have to sing, suppose. You cannot carry Tambura Shruti everywhere. They adjust in their throat itself and they bring that Sapasa Shruti and sing. You and all people cannot sing, no? Only musician can sing. That means what? He is always aware of that Tambura Shruti. Like this, Gunatitaha also always aware of another Shruti. What is that Shruti in Vedic teaching? He is also aware of that Vedic teaching, another Shruti. This is musician Shruti is Sapasa. Jnani's Gunatita Shruti is Veda. Shruti, another meaning is called Veda. What is the ultimate teaching of Veda? Na? You are that Brahman Atma Swarupam who is beyond all three gunas, including mind also. So he sees all anatmas are different from me. First he sees the profession, possession, all come under anatma, unreal, temporary. Therefore Shankaracharya said in Bhajagovindam, Ma kuru dhana jana yavvana garvam harati nimeshat kalas sarvam. Everything is fleeting in fraction of seconds, like a bubble, everything disappears. Therefore this person knows gunatitaha and is aware of that aham brahma asmi. Aham brahma asmi. Aware of that Shruti teaching all the time. Never forget. Na ingate. Even he looks at possession, profession, family. Everything comes under anatma. Including body, mind also. Including body, mind also comes under Anatma. I am not Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara. When I am not Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara, this Rajoguna, Tamoguna, Sattva belongs to whom? That Anatma only, not to me. Therefore, he is not disturbed. Na vichalyate. Therefore, what? Yaha avatishtati. Arjuna, whoever remain like this. Guna guneshu vartante iti matvana sajjate. All these gunas, sattva, rajas, tamo gunas are interacting with the world objects which are also made up of sattva, rajas, tamo guna. So, gunaha guneshu vartante. Let them interact. You watch like a drama, serial, sondam, bandam. Madri, or serial pattern, Madri, it is serial. Life is also a serial. If you take it as a serial, it is okay. Otherwise, it will become a serious problem. You are engrossed in that serial and forget you are seeing that serial on that glass piece, screen. Many times people forget. Like that in our life also. If we forget, life is a tragedy, miserable. If I remember, whole thing is like a drama going on. It is bound to do like that only. You have no choice. You have no control. You cannot change that. Better you change. Better you change your behavior, not others. Develop immune system. You develop yourself. You cannot change the bacteria, virus, so many things are there. How can you change? So better you develop immune system, stamina, so that your body can withstand to what? Swine flu, cough, so many problems, Develop immune system. Instead of changing the people, world, why struggle? Therefore, they say, when roads are not proper, there are a lot of glass pieces, thorns are there everywhere on the road, a lot of stone pieces are there. Can you put the carpet in the whole Madras? Is it possible? So, intelligent person, how he can escape from the thorns and glass pieces? Wear chappal, simple, cheap and best. You cannot spread the carpet all over, Wear chappal, intelligent way you can escape. Like that, immune your mind to the situations in crisis also. This person is very, very alert. He will not disturbed by any adverse situations. Even adverse situations comes, just, okay, all right. That like that, he is not disturbed. Avatishtati. Gunaha eva vartante. Gunas are only functioning. Especially when we are in crisis. Every day I do Parayana, Swamini. Today also I did Parayana. But exactly that crisis comes, Bhagavad Gita, teacher, everything we forget. That time only you have to bring, like that mud, bringing the whole food into its mouth and chewing, masticating madri. Like that we have to do. Namakku kopam vandappo Bhagavad Gita gnapakam varadu. Onnum gnapakam varadu. After ella Sunday ella mudichinaduku appuram quarrel. அப்போதான் ஐயோ நான் பகவத்கீதா ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஞாபகம் வரும். பட் திஸ் குணாதீதஹாக்கு பிகாஸ் ஹி இஸ் வெரி மச் he has understood that teaching, assimilated, nishtha has taken place. Therefore he never lose sight of teaching. Learning is only for that purpose only. When everything is fine, I am also fine. That time Gita teaching is not necessary at all, because everything is fine, I am also fine. But when mind is disturbed, That's what Lord Krishna is going to say. Under what are all circumstances he maintained the balance? In 24th shloka he says, he gives the answer for second question. Kim acharaha. At the internal level he has understood that gunaha vartante iti and not disturbed. Now achara, externally also he shows his balance. All other two shlokas, 22 and 23, are indications. They are all internally are there in his mind. But now you see 24 and 25, these are the responses, his reaction towards that situations. Balanced, he is very much balanced, equanimous, pious, quietude, serene. That's what Lord Krishna says. Sama dukkha sukha swasthaha. Arjuna, his achara is like this. His conduct is like this. How? Dhiraha, the wise man, anartha. Gunaditaha, the wise man. Why is called dhiraha? Not like fileman, no? Bodybuilder. Dhiraha, anartha here. Dhihi means jnanam. Dhihi means jnanam. Rahana endowed with. Endowed with jnanam anartham. Dhihi jnanam rati iti dhiraha. Dhiyam rati iti dhiraha. Dhiyam anna jnanam. Rati means endowed with. The person who is endowed with jnanam. He who knows and knows, he knows. Such a person is called jnanam, jnani. Swasthaha samadukha sukhaha. His title, this is the name of a jnani. Samadukha sukhaha. Sukha dukkhe samaha. Sukha dukkhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayau. நிறைய வாட்டி படிச்சிட்டோம். சுஹ்ருன் மித்ரால்யுதாசீன மத்தியஸ்த துவேஷ்ய பந்துஷு sadhushvapicha papeshu. Same slokas we saw in previous 12th chapter, 7th chapter, even 2nd chapter. Like that Krishna is reminding, where are you my students? You have completed 13 chapters. Is there any improvement? Improvement, chapters lo improvement varade Swamini. That's why once in a while we have to monitor ourselves. Check ourselves. The medical checkup madri. No? Everybody does 6 months ko medical checkup. Nannada irikale yeppa checkup panna. Pandika sonnanga Swamini ipo indha kaalathila ellarum 6 months ku oru checkup. அந்த செக்கப் எல்லாம் பண்ணுறியே உங்கள் மனசு, நான் கீதா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டு இத்தனை வருஷமாக படிச்சுன்னு இருக்கேன், எப்படி இருக்கேன் என்னோட மனசு செக் பண்ணியிருக்கோமா? பண்ணிக்கணும். எப்படின்னா சம துக்க சுகா இஸ் த சேம். சமான சேம். வென் துக்க சுகான இன் ப்ளஷர் அண்ட் பெயின். When since he is same in pleasure and pain, his name is called Samadukha Sukha. Our pere Samadukha Sukha. The person who is same balanced in pleasure and pain. Pleasure varumbodhu vaango paneer. And the pleasure pogumbodhu poitu vaangonu taambulam. Agate swagatam kuryat. Whatever comes, bound to go. This is gnapakam. Whatever comes, bound to go. Therefore, prepare ready tambulam. Povradhukku siddhama irukku. Epponu theriyadu. It will not give you a letter. Now I am going to leave after 2 days. As you are enjoying, it is ready to go sometimes. Any product in this world, even relations, association with the people, relations, also dissociation take place at any time. Therefore, this wise person is ready to face that. That is pleasure and pain also is same. How? Swasthaha, because he is established in the self. How he has got such a power? The reason is Brahmajnaha, Brahmanishtaha. Swasthaha means Sve Atmani Sthitaha. Swasmin iti Swasthaha, and one's own self is remaining. Then one who is in oneself, appointment with oneself. People are always engaged in one thing or other. Either cricket பார்க்கலாம், either serial பார்க்கலாம், either என்ன அந்த டிவி அந்த ஃப்ரிட்ஜில் அது கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துகிட்டு சாப்பிட்டுன்னு இருக்கலாம். ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கணும்னா we cannot face ourselves. The entire world is running away from one's own. Facing oneself is a problem for many people. That's why cell phone எப்போது எம்எஸ் எஸ்எம்எஸ் பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பான், இல்லைன்னா ஏதாவது நியூஸ் வந்ததா இமெயில் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறதோ ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கணும். Because they want to escape. ஒன்றும் பண்ணலன்னு என்ன தெரியுமோ, they have to face themselves. Therefore in the meditation, japa, puja and all, especially meditation is what you are occupying the mind meaningfully. You are occupying the mind meaningfully. அதுதான் மெடிடேஷன். இப்போ நம்ம மனசு எப்பவுமே மெடிடேஷனில் தான் இருக்கும். பட் ஆக்யூபையிங் பை வாட்னா வேர்ல்ட்லி மேட்டர்ஸ், நாட் மீனிங்ஃபுல்லி. Not meaningfully. Bhagavan Nama alone is meaningful. But worldly objects will occupy our mind. But this person is always in the self. Appointment with oneself. No boredom. No boredom at all. No frustration, no depression, no oppression, no suppression. எப்போவுமே no elation, no depression. சந்தோஷம் வரும்போது இலேஷனும் இல்லை, துக்கம் வரும்போது டிப்ரெஷனும் கிடையாது. அப்படி என்ன சொல்கிறது ஈஸி, அப்ளை பண்ணுறது தான் கஷ்டம்னு. ஸ்வஸ்தஹா, another meaning also. Swasthaha means whatever happens in this anatma world, possession, property, profession, possession, family, mind, body, no matter whatever happens, I am not that. Just one thought he brings into his mind, I am not that. No permission, no admission without permission. Trespassers will be prosecuted. You have to put a signboard. What is that board? No permission without, no admission without permission. So no one can disturb me, my inner peace, shanti, amaidi. Amaidi ungal choice, nimmadi ungal choice. Okay. So swasthaha, prasannaha nartham, prasanna chittaha. Not only that, samaloštashma kanchanaha samaha. He is same. That samaha you have to supply. இங்கே இருக்கு samaloštashma kanchanaha. Loshta means clod of earth, mud. Loshtam. Ashma means stone. Kanchana means gold. Loshtancha, ashmacha, kanchanancha, samani yasya saha. So, he is same when he sees the metal and cloud of mud and gold. All are same. Appadi eppadi enna? He do not know the value of the gold. Nalla theriyum. Now, just now, yesterday only it has increased. He knows that value. That means he is... we should not take, அது ஏதோ ஸ்டோரி சொல்லுவான், தட் ஸ்டோரி சொல்லி அவருக்கு பங்காரம் அந்த கீழே அது ஏதோ திண்டு இந்த பில்லோக்கு அண்டர் த பில்லோ தே கெப்ட் சம் காப்பர் காயினும் கோல்டு காயினும். ஈ குட் நாட் ஸ்லீப். அவளுக்கு அந்த மகாத்மாவுக்கு ரொம்ப எவர்ஷனா கோல்டுன்னாலே. ஆல் தீஸ் ஸ்டோரிஸ் வி லிசன் And if any Mahatma wearing gold chain or kundalam or any rudraksha, see, ivarku evvada patra gold anna nam nenipom. That is not true. These stories and all we should not exaggerate. Okay, he knows the value of the gold. That means what? He knows this is another black metal that is shining metal, and he knows. Value also he knows, but he never crave for that. Not having any attachment and artha. அதுதான் இருக்கக்கூடாதே தவிர அதனால கோல்டுக்கு மட்டுக்கு வேல்யூ ஒரே மாதிரி பார்ப்பான்னா பைத்தியம் அர்த்தம் இல்லையா? It is not true. So therefore you have to understand properly here. He same towards that means he never give importance too much and artham. Value he knows. Then tulya priya apriyaha. Tulyaha means equal, same. When priyam apriyam, priyam means desirable situations comes, he is same. And apriyahana, when undesirable, unfavorable situations comes, same, that time also he is same. Priya apriya. Once priyam comes, so you see our faces will change naturally. ஒரு பல 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 இருக்கும் ஷைனிங்க. ஒரே ஆனந்தம், குஷியோ குஷி. ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம் வந்த உடனே கேஸ்டர் ஆயில் ஃபேஸ் இப்படியா தெரிஞ்சுவிடும் உடனே. என்ன இப்படி இருக்கேள், என்னாச்சு யாராவது கேட்கணும், அந்த அளவுக்கு இருப்போம். நோ ஜோக் கேன், நோ ஹியூமர் கேன் ஒர்க் ஆன் அஸ். Like that we are ஏதோ all worldly problems, all problems are on my head only. I am only suffering. இந்த மாதிரி கஷ்டம் யாருக்கும் வரக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அது வேறு. இந்த மாதிரி கஷ்டம் யாருக்கும் வரக்கூடாது. இந்த மாதிரி கஷ்டம் விட நிறைய பேர் இன்னும் கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. So every person magnify or look at his or her own problems, small problems, minute problems. It's so big, vast. Really speaking, if you look at the people who are all really suffering and you are so better than them, Bhagavan, I am very grateful to you and sollalam. So that is way we have to look at it. This is truly cognitive change. Okay? Internal attitudinal change. Even your wife or husband may not understand you are a gunatitaha. You cannot ask them, do you know that I am gunatitaha? You don't know? If you don't know, you know first. We need not ask anybody. By our behavior, by our response, people have to say, he is a gunatitaha. Nama sollika koodadu. That is called achara. By our achara, by our behavior, by our conduct, people have to say he is a jnani. He is a sthita prajnaha. We should not wait for that title. Okay? You will not bother. No? Remaining in my own nature, what is big thing adala? Remaining as myself, understanding the rope as rope, is it a big issue? அதுக்கு பப்ளிஷைஸ் பண்ணணுமா என்ன? ரோப்பை பார்க்கறது அப்படித்தானே பார்க்கணும் இல்லையோ? ரோப்பு பாம்பா பார்த்தாதான் தப்பு. அதனால ஆத்மா ஞான ஆத்மஸ்வரூபமும் ஞானம்லயும் இருக்கிறது பெரிய விஷயம் என்ன? அதுல இப்படி தானே இருக்கணும். தட் இஸ் வை ஞானி நெவர் expect any appreciation or recognition or anything. This is natural, spontaneous for this person. Therefore, tulya priya priyaha. Not only that, tulya ninda atma samstutihi. Now it is at verbal level. Anyone, if criticize him, censure him. Ninda means censure. Atma samstutihi means anyone praise. If anyone praise him, suppose by others, they come and praise, you are Indran, Chandran, Suryan, like that they praise him. Sometimes whoever put garland, they put chappal malai also, no? Means they throw the bricks. Throw the bricks in the sense what? They criticize, they blame, they censure. First time when you go, no, வாங்கோ அந்த சவுண்டே வேறு. 10 வாட்டி கூப்பிடுவான். எப்போ வரையாள் இருங்க கொஞ்ச நாள் அதே 4 நாள் இருந்து பாருங்க அப்புறம் எப்போ உங்கள் டிக்கெட் புக் பண்ணியாச்சுன்னு கேட்பான். கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். You see your experience in your life. Whenever you go first time, whenever you get something first time, very, very wonderful, no? People also, they love, they like, and they expect you, and all these things they do. After some time, slowly that love, affection, love fade out, slowly, withering away. This is the nature of the world. முன்னாடிலாம் அப்படி இல்லையா? முன்னாடி நல்லதான் இருந்தா இப்போதான். This is called natural phenomenon in the creation with any object. Your car also feels. When he buys me first time, தொடச்சுட்டே இருக்கான். இப்போ தொடக்கிறது இல்லை. ஏன் என்னாச்சு என்ன? அதுதான் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் போயிடுது, அவ்வளோதான். யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன், அவ்வளோதான். When we are looking at our things, first when we buy, go on cleaning. After some time அது இருக்க இல்லையான்னு கூட தெரியாது நமக்கு. வீட்டில் இந்த டஸ்ட்டு அப்படியே இருக்கும் அது மேலே. ஃப்ரிட்ஜ் ஆகட்டும், டெலிஃபோன் ஆகட்டும், டிவி ஆகட்டும், எனிதிங் ஃபார் தட் மேட்டர். சேம் வித் பீப்புள் ரிலேஷன்ஸ் ஆல்சோ, இன்க்ளூடிங் ஒய்ஃப் அண்ட் ஹஸ்பண்ட். அது நீங்கள் நான் சொல்லவே வேண்டாம் உங்களுக்கு. ஏதோ இருக்க அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, தட்ஸ் வை இந்தியன் மேரேஜஸ் ஆர் நாட் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் தேர் கேரக்டர், அவர் ஸ்வபாவ compatibility they are talking now. They have to see their compatibility each other. Compatibility, how many years you see? 2-3 years friends, அதுக்கப்புறம் கல்யாணம் பண்ணியாச்சு, ஆனாலும் ப்ராப்ளம் வந்துட்டே இருக்கே. That's why our Indian marriages are depend on dharma, not on their character. Why? Because wife behavior go on changing. Husband behavior also, why not? His behavior also changing. That is the nature of the mind. Wife behavior changing, husband behavior changing, children behavior also changing. So you cannot stop that change. It is natural. If your relation based on this mind, gunas, no husband wife can stay together. Very difficult. Compatibility varadu. That is why Western countries marriages, they cannot stay together. Their marriages are based on character, conduct. காண்டக்ட்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? இவர் சுபாவம் இப்படி, அவர் சுபாவம் இப்படி. நம்ம பண்ணுவா ஹீ இஸ் ஸ்னோரிங்னு சொல்லி டைவர்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டான். ஸ்னோரிங் பண்ணுறானே டைவர்ஸ் பண்ண எப்படி? ஸோ லைக் தட் இருக்குது. முஸ்டிக் இருக்குஞ்சப்போ ரொம்ப டைவர்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. முஸ்டிக்கன் அந்த முஸ்டிக் இருக்கக்கூடாது, தாடி இருக்கக்கூடாது. இந்த மாதிரி ஆல் பிட்டி ரீசன்ஸ்னா, பெட்டி ரீசன்ஸ் தே கிவ் டைவர்ஸ்ன்னா இட் இஸ் நாட் அவர் கல்ச்சர். Here, no, they are very much, நான் சொன்ன லாஸ்ட் ஒரு ப்ரீவியஸ் கிளாஸில், they take a bath in a river, 7 times they dip together. What they say, even 7 janmas you must come as my wife. Husband asks, and husband also says you all alone should come as a wife even up to 7 janmas. I told, why they ask like this? If a new person comes, again training பண்ணணும். New wife or new husband comes in next janma, again they have to train, again struggle, problem. Same good old husband comes in the next janma also. தெரிஞ்ச விவகாரம் தானே, பரவாயில்ல, அட்ஜஸ்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜென்மா அப்பா நன்னா இருக்கும்னா. இப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்லலை சாஸ்திரம்னா, நான் சொல்கிறேன். அந்த மாதிரி ஞானி கிரகஸ்த, we are talking about not only sannyasi, கிரகஸ்த ஞானி also. Jnana-yogena sankhyanam karma-yogena yoginam. Grihasthas also have to balance themselves. Grihastha jnani. Sannyasi jnani, grihastha jnani, any jnani is one and the same. Then tulya ninda atma samstutehi. In censure and praise by others, he is same. He is not enamored by the praise. He is not feel hurt when other people censure. Next shloka, 25. Manapamanayostulyaha tulyo mitrari pakshayoh sarvarambha parityagi gunatitas sa uchyate. Now the second question, Lord Krishna answering in the 24th and 25th. Same answer continues. Man apamanayoho tulyaha. This wise man is same in honor and dishonor. Mana means honor. These are all at manasika level, mental level. Ninda, stuti are at verbal level by others, even he face. Here apamanam, insult, is at that mental honor or dishonor. The manasika level he feel, apamanam panditane and feeling. Mane dainya bhayam, kule chuti bhayam. I may be dishonored by somebody. It is lifelong. People cannot forget. No? The mana, apamana. Apamana means dishonor. Tulyaha is same. Samaha, nirvikaraha ityarthaha. No vikara in him. Then ma mitra ari pakshayoho tulyaha. He is the same towards friend and foe, enemy. Mitra means friend. Ari means enemy. Pakshayoho, towards them. Towards both of them. Friends, he is not attracted towards them. He is an enemy, and surely he will not hate them. Therefore, Jnani never have enemies. Other people may look at Jnani as their enemy. But Jnani never see anyone as an enemy. So, Mitra Aripakshayoho, Jnani has got ample immunity. Therefore, he is able to look at them equally. But he is not equally look at them and he is not encouraging that person, enemy, whatever he is doing. He never hate that person. He never encourage that person's wrong actions. Encouraging wrong actions is wrong. Hating that person who is doing wrong is also wrong. You have to just see that wrong action you should not encourage. But you need not hate the person for that. Okay? But we need not become like a doormat. So therefore I can accept everything. No, if possible you have to teach a lesson to that person. We need not allow the person to go wrongly continuously. Some parents like that. They give ATM card for children. Pella single child, no? No, குழந்தை கஷ்டப்படக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லி ஒரு ஏடிஎம் கார்டு கொடுத்துட்டான்னா பேரண்ட்ஸ் எங்கேயோ இருக்க இவருக்கு ஏடிஎம் கார்டு கொடுத்தா என்ன பண்ணுவான்? ஆல்வேஸ் டேக்கிங் மணி அண்ட் இட் ஸ்டார்டட் ட்ரிங்கிங். So we should not abuse that. No? Children also we have to take care of them. Wrong actions, we have to seize the money. We should not என்ன ஏடிஎம் கார்டு அவன் கையில் இருக்கு. இப்படி என்ன பண்றதுன்னா டேக் அவுட் த அமௌண்ட் ஃபுல்லி என்ன ஃப்ரம் த பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட். வாட் டு டூ? பிகாஸ் ஒன்ஸ் யூ த சைல்ட் கோஸ் டு தட் அடிக்ஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல், யூ cannot stop. Very dangerous. But at the same time, you cannot hate that person. You have to change the course of action. Then sarvarambha parityagi, sannyasi anartham. Sarvarambha parityagi means drishta adrishta karmani. Whatever action, either visible or invisible, phalam which is going to come, sarva arambham. All selfish actions he renounces anartham. He is the renouncer of all actions anartham. But how you have to understand? All binding actions he renounces. All materialistic actions he renounces. He take that, Acharya writes, Deha Dharana Matra Poshana. That much actions only he keeps. Deha Dharana Matra Nimitta Vetirekena Sarvam Karmani Parityajati. Other than the survival, only for survival, I have to take care of this body. Other than that, any action he renounces. Not necessary. That is very important. So for Chitta Shuddhi Varanamanna, idella Pandita Ahanam illaya. So minimum you have to keep, and after that you have to, for survival, you have to continue your life. Gunadita night and jepi saapadamal irukka mudiyuma enna? You have to wear clothes, you need shelter, all the things you require. Therefore, he is the renouncer of all binding actions. Saha, such a person, gunatitaha uchyate. Such a person is called gunatitaha. With this second question answer over. Now he gives the 26th shloka, he gives the answer to the third question. We'll read the shloka. 26. Mam chayo vyabhicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samati kyaitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Saha yaha mam sevate. Saha is in the second line. Now, how one can become Gunatita? What he has to do? Arjuna asked. Arjuna is interested in becoming Gunatita. Okay? Why? Krishna told Arjuna, hey Arjuna, whoever cross these three gunas only attain Shreyas Mokshaha. Then Arjuna is very curious. Tell me, how to become a Gunatita? No. This is the sadhanam. This is the method. Saha yaha mam sevate. He who worships me alone. Mam sevate. Mam means Ishwaram, Narayanam. Acharya translates Mam, not Dwaraka Krishna, not this Manusha Veshadhari Krishna, but Ishwaram. Who is that Ishvara? Narayanam. Narayanam Sivudu inlaya Swamini. Ayyappa Guruvayurappa enga poyichena. Then Narayanam. Again another commentator, Ramaraya Kavi, translates. There is a sub-commentary to Shankaracharya's commentary. Ramaraya Kavi writes, Narayanam means what? Mam means Narayanam. Why it's called Narayanan? Naranam Bhutanam Samuhaha Naram. Naram and another Narana Bhutanam Samuha. The group of all beings, species. Naranam Bhutanam Samuhaha Naram. Then Tat Ayanam Sthanam Yasya Saha. That Bhutani and all beings is the sthanam, abode, place தத்து ஸ்தானம் எஸ்ய சஹ. யாருக்கு இந்த பூதங்களுடைய ஹிருதயமே ஸ்தானமாக இருக்கின்றதோ அவர் நாராயணன் அர்த்தம். So for whom the heart of every being is the abode is called Narayana. ஓம் நமோ நாராயணாய சொல்லிகிட்டே இருக்கோம். ஒரு நாள் அந்த மீனிங்கில் பார்க்க மாட்டோம். வித் தட் மீனிங் யூ ஹாவ் டு சாண்ட். பேர் பீப்புள் நாராயணன் நாராயணன் பேர் வச்சுக்காரு, ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணன் பேர். ஒரே நாராயணன் என்ன பேர் அண்ணா அதுதான் தெரியல. அண்ணா பெருமாள் இருக்காரு பாலாஜி திருப்பதியில், அவர் தான் இந்த பேர். என்ன நாராயணன்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? The one who is the indweller of all beings. மாம் என்ன அர்த்தம்? இப்போ that Narayana, who is that Narayana? Who is residing in every one's heart? Who is residing in everyone's heart? Krishna or Shiva or Balaji is staying? Atma Chaitanyam. Mam anartham Atma Chaitanyam. Who worships me? How can you worship Atma Chaitanyam? You worship Lord Krishna in the form of Atma Chaitanyam. You worship Guru Ayurappa in the form of Atma Chaitanyam. You worship Balaji in the form of Atma Chaitanyam. You worship any god in the form of Atma Chaitanyam consciousness principle, Sat Chit Ananda Swarupena. That person, Mam Sevate. Sevate means worships and Vedanta Vichara Kurvanti. Anartham. Sevate na daily jalra eduthattu Om Namo Narayana Narayana bhajana ille. Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam. Study about my real nature. Vedanta Vichara Rupa Bhakti. Jnani Bhakti. Jignasu Bhakti. 12th chapter language. Okay. Jnana Lakshana Bhakti. Sadhya Bhakti. Not Artha Bhakti. Artharthi Bhakti. Nee idi kudu na adi kudukren enna sadhana bhakti adile. Bhagavan வந்து ஒரு சாதனமாக வச்சுக்க கூடாது. பகவான் சாத்தியந்தான், அவர் தான் எனக்கு கோல் అని நீ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டடி. வாட் சாட்டர்டே பகவத்கீதா கிளாஸுக்கு போய் யூ ஹாவ் டு நோ மை ரியல் நேச்சர். தட் இஸ் கால்டு ரியல் சேவா ஃபார் மீ. நான் சொல்லலை, பகவான் சொல்லார். நான் சொன்னேன் உங்களுக்கு சுவாமினி யூ ஆர் பப்ளிசைசிங் ஃபார் யுவர் கிளாஸ். என்ன பாருங்க, லார்டு கிருஷ்ணா சேஸ் மாம் யஹா சேவதே சஹா. சச் பர்சன் அவ்யபிசாரேண Bhakti Yogena. Avyabhicharena means through yoga. Bhakti Yoga means here devotion. What type of devotion? Karmana Lakshana Bhakti or Jnana Lakshana Bhakti? Na Jnana Lakshana Bhakti. Sadhya Bhakti. Jignasu Bhakti. Avyabhicharena means through an unswerving devotion, unflinching devotion. Without any shaking అనమాట. என்னோட భక్తి நல்லதா இல்லையா கரெக்டா அப்படியெல்லாம் டவுட் வரக்கூடாது. కాన్స్టెంట్లీ వితౌట్ ఎనీ డిస్ట్రాక్షన్ అని అర్థం. సచ్ ఎ పర్సన్ బ్రహ్మభూయాయ కల్పతే. ఏతాన్ గుణాన్ సమతీత్య బ్రహ్మభూయాయ కల్పతే. టు సచ్ ఎ పర్సన్ అంటే జిజ్ఞాసు భక్త, whoever does Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam and coming to know my real nature, such bhakta, gunan aditya, he go beyond 3 gunas. Going beyond 3 gunas means what? 3 gunas are mithya. They belong to mind anatma. They are not my real nature. That is called going beyond. Brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Kalpate means he becomes fit for what? To attain the nature of Brahman. Brahma bhuyaya. To attain the nature of Brahman. Brahma swarupam. Kalpate. Klup dhatu. Klup dhatu. Samarthyaha bhavati. Yogyaha bhavati. First conjugation. First conjugation Atmanepadi. Kalpate, kalpete, kalpante. So he will become fit to attain the nature of Brahman. Whoever attend the Bhagavad Gita class. What is real Gunatita? And புரிஞ்சுக்கணும் இல்லையோ? எனக்கு சத்வகுணம் இருக்க ரஜோகுணம் இருக்க சுவாமி இன்னும் ఏ యు ఆర్ నాట్ రజోగుణం, యు ఆర్ నెయిదర్ తమోగుణం, యు ఆర్ నాట్ సత్వగుణం ఆల్సో. యు ఆర్ ద విట్నెసర్ ఆఫ్ 3 gunas. Understand? You can improve your mind. You can improve your mind. You can correct your wrong actions, responses and all. அந்த இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் நடந்துட்டே இருக்கட்டும் மனசில். அது பாட்டு அது நடந்துட்டே இருக்கணும். அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நான் எப்படியாவது இருப்பேன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. மனசு நான் இல்லை சுவாமி எப்படியாவது இருப்பேன், ஐயோ எப்படியாவது இருக்கக்கூடாது, ஜாக்கிரதையாக இருக்கணும். ரொம்ப கோபம் ஜாஸ்தியாக வருதுன்னா கோபம் வராமலே பார்த்துக்கோ, அவ்வளோதான். இரிட்டேஷன் வருதுன்னா வராமலே பார்த்துக்கோ. ஓகே, யூ கேன் இம்ப்ரூவ் யுவர் செல்ஃப், யுவர் மைண்ட். அனாத்மாவில் இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். பட் அந்த இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மிக்கு சம்பந்தமே கிடையாது. அது பாட்டுக்கு அது பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். நான் எப்போவுமே அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி தான். He attains Brahma Jnanam. He becomes fit for that. Okay. Therefore, now third question answer also over. Next, last shloka. Brahmano hi pratishthaham amrutasya cha शाश्वतस्य च धर्मस्य सुखस्यैकान्तिकस्य च. In the 19th and 20th shloka of this chapter, Lord Krishna already said, Jnanam alone can give liberation. Let's look into the 19th shloka. నాణ్య గుణేభ్య కర్తారం యదా ద్రష్టాను అనుపశ్యతి అని சொன்னார். గుణేభ్యశ్చ పరం వేత్తి. ఐ యామ్ బియాండ్ గుణాస్ అండ్ హూ ఎవర్ నోస్. ఆల్రెడీ సెడ్ మద్భావం అధిగచ్చది. ఈవెన్ 20th శ్లోక గుణానేతాన్ అతీత్య దేహి దేహినం అవ్యయం. ఇదిదా జ్ఞానం. దిస్ జ్ఞానం అలోన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అర్జున. సో హీ అటైన్స్ బ్రహ్మన్. హీ సెడ్ మాం సేవతే బ్రహ్మభూయాయ కల్పతే అన్న. మామ్ అన్న ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ లార్డ్ కృష్ణ, ద్వారకా కృష్ణ, హౌ హీ కెన్ బికమ్ బ్రహ్మన్? ఏ భక్త హౌ హీ కెన్ అటైన్ బ్రహ్మన్? ఇన్ ద కన్ఫ్యూషన్ వర్లామే. దట్స్ వై లార్డ్ కృష్ణ సేస్ దేర్ మామ్ మీన్స్ బ్రహ్మన్. దట్స్ వై హీ క్లారిఫైస్ హియర్. బ్రహ్మణః హి ప్రతిష్ఠాహం. అర్జున, I, the Krishna Shariram here, where am I residing, you know? I am looking you as in Neela Megha Shyama. But I am always Aham Brahmanaha Pratishtana. That means what? I am indeed an embodiment of Brahman. Billions of worth dollars, no? We have to underline. இந்த மாதிரி லைன்ஸ் கிடைக்காது எங்கேயுமே, அது மறக்கக்கூடாது. அப்போ மல்லி திருப்பி 16 அத்தியாயம் போன உடனே கிருஷ்ணர் என்ன யாருன்னு கேட்கக்கூடாது. அங்கே பிரம்மபூயாய கல்பத்தைன்னு சொன்னேன். மாம் whoever worships me in this manner, he attains Brahman. Who is this Brahman? That Brahman I am. I am embodiment of Brahman. I, the Krishna, Dwaraka Krishna and Brahman are not different. That means don't look at me with vachyartha. Okay? Look at me with lakshyartha. Meaning, lakshyartha means what? My real nature and artha. So don't take me as vachyartha shariram. Take me as lakshyartha chaitanyam. Then, if you understand this as I am, the first person aham, generally we take Shariram. You take Aham anna Brahman. Who is that Brahman? What is the nature of Brahman? He attains that Brahman which is immortal. Amrutasya Avyayasya. Amrutasya Avyayasya. How to split? Amrutasya Avyayasya. Amrutanna immortal. Kalatitasya anartham. Who is beyond time? Avinashi ityartha. Avyayaha means avikari. Avinashi avikari. Avyayavanna vikararahitah षड्विकाररहितस्य. Not only that, aikantikasya sukhasya, that which is absolute sukham, bimbananda, not pratibimbananda, not reflected ananda, but original ananda sukham, aikantika sukham, ananda swarupam, unalloyed happiness anartham, ananda. This is called avyabhicharini bhakti. Your ananda will not go away. அதே ஆனந்தம் எப்பவுமே இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். ஓகே, நித்யஸ்ய சாஸ்வதம்னா நித்யம், நித்யஸ்ய எட்டர்னல், ஞான தர்மஸ்ய மீன்ஸ் திஸ் இஸ் த எட்டர்னல், த கோல் ஆஃப் எட்டர்னல் ஞான யோகா. ஞான யோகா கோல் என்னன்னா திஸ் எட்டர்னல் அமிர்தம் பிரம்மஸ்வரூபம். அதான் சாஸ்வதஸ்ய தர்மஸ்ய, the goal of eternal Jnana Yoga. What is the goal of Jnana Yoga? This immortal, this decayless, this Nityaha, this Atma Brahman is the Dukkha Rahitaha ityartha. Dukkha Rahitaha Nitya Sukham is the Atma Swarupam. Jnani will merge in me, such a person. Om Tat Sat. इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे गुणत्रयविभागयोगो नाम चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः. Thus ends the 14th chapter titled Gunatraya Vibhaga Yoga or Gunatita Vibhaga Yoga, we can say, of Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Now the Lord Krishna has concluded this Gunatraya Vibhaga Yoga by showing that, giving answer to the 3 questions. What are the characteristics? He is detached from all, everything, including his mind. This is the answer. Second, how does Gunatita's conduct? He is samam, equal. How one can become Gunatita? By Jnanam. These are the answers given by Lord Krishna. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.